Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how much YouTube paid me for 50,000 views. All right, as you guys can see, these are my live YouTube analytics. So as you can see, within the last 48 hours, my channel pulled in 3,400 views. And within the last 60 minutes, my channel pulled in 118 views. So as you can see, within the last minute, my channel pulled in one view here, and then 5 views in that particular minute. So pretty cool that YouTube is able to pull in this live analytical data for you guys, and you can see within the last 60 minutes which of my videos are actually generating views. Okay, so going over to the next tab here, you could see that for the month of August, my channel generated 56,000 views and YouTube paid me $246.25. And if we scroll down a little bit, you'll see my monthly estimated revenue for the month of August. You see that number that we mentioned before. And in July, I got paid $220, and June, $215. So my channel is definitely going upwards in terms of the monthly revenue that I'm currently earning. However, for September, this month isn't over yet, so I'll make a final video when that comes out. So it's only tracking up until September 26th. So still a couple days to go yet for this particular month, and I only pulled in 38,000 monetized views. So we'll see how this month does. So far, I've made $203 for the month of September. I'm thinking about starting a live stream on my channel where I just pull in like the live data on my YouTube channel and just have it available to you guys if you guys want to peek in and see what's going on. So if you guys like the idea, feel free to leave me a comment below. And let's see which of my videos have been earning the most money. Going back to the month of August, we'll see that the tutorial for how to create a GTA 5 crew made almost $60. My video about freelancing made $34. And my YouTube tutorial made $22. So a lot of tutorial-based videos is what does the best for me. Now I did have, let's see, more tutorials. This one vlog for what's sold on eBay made me $3 over here. Again, more tutorial based types of videos. So I'm going to be producing more content that will be pulling views on the back end in addition to the videos that you guys want to see, like the weekly vlogs for whatever's going on in my life. Another thing I thought would be interesting to show you guys is how much my eBay videos have made me. So let's pull that into this group that I already made for this particular video. Now, let's see here, revenue source. So for all 30 of my eBay related videos, I've only made $35.84. So that's a pretty interesting little statistic. Well, for the month of August anyways, let's check lifetime. For all of my eBay videos, I've made $192 total and 42 cents. So that's definitely really good for a series that I only started back in February. So I want to continue that series in addition to a bunch of other series that I'll be starting for the channel. Ultimately, the goal of this channel is to show you guys how I make my money in addition to how I manage my money. And I just want to show you guys my life basically, like when I have kids, what we're going to be doing with that in terms of money. So looking forward to the future of this YouTube channel. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to destroy that like button. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.